Back to another episode of Tech Explained. So, if you are an Elon Musk fan or if you are on internet for the last couple of weeks, you might have heard this company Neuralink. Yes, it has been on trend for the past few weeks as it gives its demo. Neuralink is an American neurotech company founded by Elon Musk in July 2016. It develops an implantable brain machine interface. But what does this mean? In simple words, this company develops chips which can be placed in your brain, which allows you to control many machines with your brain without any remote. And how does it look like? As compared to your finger, it is as tiny as it is, so that it can be easily implanted in your brain. This chip will be surgically implanted in your brain, and with this chip, you will be able to communicate with machines, so no more "Hey Google" or "Hey Alexa." But how does this thing work? To understand its mechanism, you should understand how your brain works. Your brain sends information to the body through neurons. These neurons connect with each other to form large network and communicate using chemical signals called neurotransmitters. This reaction generates an electric field. These reactions are recorded by placing electrodes nearby. These electrodes can then understand the electrical signal in your brain and translate them into an algorithm that a machine can read. So this is how the Neuralink chip works with accordance to your brain. I know you all are curious to know how does it get into our brain. So drilling a hole into your skull and inserting wire is pretty tricky task for human hands. So Musk said that the installation operation would be carried out by specially programmed bots. As per the company, there could be 10,000 electrodes inserted in your brain. What are its uses? What is the use? Neuralink primarily houses in medical help like ability to regain someone's eyesight if they have even lost their optical nerve. Some of its crazy features as you can directly stream music to your brain, you can control machines and devices, you can learn new skills with help of Neuralink app just like Keanu Reeves does in the movie Matrix. As usual, it has a double side too. When your brains connect to a chip and what if hackers get access to your brain? It's a serious problem. What if someone can read your mind without your will, like hackers? This chip is likely to be in your skull for 10 years. The demo of the chip is being tested on a pig which was demonstrated by Elon Musk on 28 August 2020, link in the description below. And more research is yet to come. The future is exciting. Are you ready? So like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech.